Welcome to the course. I'm glad that you have taken this step to learn the skill of programming. Software engineering is one of the most exciting fields of our generation, and I'd love to help you become a part of this growing community. This course primarily teaches you programming in Python, developing graphical user interfaces using PyQt, and implementing databases using MongoDB, while also covering software engineering principles which are very important for completing your software projects. So who is this course for? This course is definitely for a complete beginner. If you are someone who knows absolutely nothing about programming or software engineering, you, my friend, are definitely in the right place, and we're going to take care of you. So, what do you actually require for this course? You only need 3 things: a laptop or a computer, an internet connection, and persistence. If you work hard enough, you'll definitely understand and be able to implement the things taught in this course yourself while working on your own projects. Let's discuss the course structure and get started.